It's Professor Monty, and we're looking at the associative laws. So again, just like the commutative laws, there's an associative law of addition and an associative law of multiplication. Now, when we talk about to associate, that means we kind of group together or hang out differently. So you may have an associate, which is somebody that you hang out with at work or someone socially. So with the associative laws, we're grouping differently. So the associative law of addition says A plus B in parentheses plus C is the same as A plus, and then group the B plus C in parentheses. So I'll show you how this works with an example. So say we have the numbers 3, 7, and 5. The associative law says, hey, if I group the 3 plus 7 first versus grouping the second group, the 7 plus 5, I'll get the same answer. Now, this isn't a proof that this works. This is just showing an example of it in fact working. And remember, with order of operation, we have to do what's inside the parentheses first before we do the addition outside. So this says do the 3 plus 7 first. We get 10 plus 5. Or we get 3 plus the 7 plus 5 is 12. Well, 10 plus 5 is 15. 3 plus 12 is also 15. The associative law for addition worked. So we check it off. The associative law of multiplication says it works the same way for multiplication. So let's just pick some numbers here. Let's do a 2 and a 3 and a 5. So if I group those two first versus the second two, I should get the same answer. Again, let's follow the order. Stuff in parentheses first. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Well, 6 times 5 is 30. And 2 times 15 is also 30. So again, we see an example of the property working, and those are the associative laws.